you know about rocking the wolf on your dog? You know what about
Like that song. What's up? It's all supported. I took the advice of well, Terry's advice off Mumble and Snow Crushers on drilling these plates. Much easier. Thank you guys. I got it drilled, put together. The door's up. I got my locks from Lowe's today, free of charge. Plus I'm getting my seals this week, free of charge. Plus I got $150 back. So that makes me happy. It's sealed. It's locked. It is officially usable. It didn't take my wife long to start fucking hauling shit out. Sorry that I haven't got no light bulbs. I got one light bulb. My tools, I don't have a lot, but I got some. I got room to expand. Cabinet, old air compressor. I hope to replace with a nice big one. And then my shop dog, Emma. This was a dream. This was my first dream, to be able to own a shop. We got my chair. My dad would have been pretty proud. So this was a big step, guys. Very happy. You can hear the wind flapping the doors. It's because there's no seals or nothing. So, this was a major undertaking, especially with what's wrong with me, and I mention that all the time. But it's truly a serious disease, and I'm pretty proud. What I've got left to do is put all the sockets for the lights in the roof, plus the light bulbs and my light switches. That'll be about basically it, and build a bench and seal the floor. I need to pull the truck out and stuff, and I'll have to do it in sections now that there's stuff all brought out here, but that's okay. I'll scrub it real good with a scrub brush and some solvent, and then put a spray sealer down. I do own a big nice drill press. Hopefully I get it back from my father-in-law. It's been in his shop for the better part of 2.5 years. Where I used to live, the landlord, he was a farmer, and he didn't fix shit, he just threw it out. Well, it's an older press too. It wasn't working, and all that had happened is the mud daubers had got up in the electric motor and packed it full of mud when it turned. So he was going to throw it out, and I asked him if I could have it, and I took it over to my father-in-law's, and he pulled the motor off and looked in it and cleaned that out, and it works great. So it works better than his new one. But yeah, like I was saying, my dad had been real proud of me achieving this goal. It feels good to have his truck in here, Preston's truck now. But he would have got a kick to see this. and I'm not 100% done. I still have some trim work to do and some of that foam seal yet to finish putting in on each end. I've got a quarter of it done, one little quarter. I've got 3/4 to go, and then trim the front. And then I'll be pretty much set. So, like I said, one happy person, and thank you everybody. I hope y'all know how much your help meant to me. I just hope you know. But I guess I'll get going and get in the house. It's after 8 o'clock. I got this done today. It was done around 5, but I went and got a bite to eat, and then after that, my wife wanted to bring this shit out, so we brought it out real quick. So I got a couple pictures to hang up, you know, old car reprints, you know. Preston got me a poster that says "Danger Zombies" or something, but he thought it looked cool in here, so he wanted it. He wanted to get it, and he got it at the book fair for me. So we'll have to get that hung up and get the lights going. That'll be great. You know, this one little light puts off quite a bit, but and it's a daylight kind. That's what I believe Cecil said to get. It was daylight, or was it WTBM Terry? He may have said that. Somebody told me to make, I think it was make sure I get daylight bulbs. So that's what they are, daylight bulbs. So anyhow guys, I'm going in the house. I'm signing off. Thank you. Thank you for all the help. Thank you for all the support. I wish I could join you guys in Florida this week. It looks like it's going to be a lot of fun. There's a lot of people going that I'd love to meet. But maybe next year. I've got some stuff coming up. And health-wise, you know, surgery stuff. Let me get through that, and then let me turn this light on so you can see me. I'm going to use you to see how to get out of here. So maybe next year, you know, I'll be able to come visit y'all. Have a good night. Thanks for the help. Take care. God bless.